Yeah, didn't I tell you? There's a whole new world to explore. So, where to next?
The woody woodland.
Sounds like a plan.
Benji and Sullivan, world famous explorers, go into the wood to see what they can find.
Only to discover some ants, one of the strongest creatures in the world.
And a fierce woodlouse with armor on.
A true warrior, especially when it comes to cleaning up. It eats all the dead wood, leaves, and rotten plants.
Blech. Benji, wait!
Oops, coming through. This may take a while.
We could have squashed it.
They've got a hard shell to protect them. Tough as snails, but not that tough. A tad slow, though. Well, we've been around the world on a rainy day. Across the grassy plains, through the wild rainforest, and into the woody wood. It just goes to show you can have an adventure wherever you are.
There's only one more thing to do.
What's that?
Splash in the sea.
Now you're talking.
Just watch out for the snake.
Snake? Ha ha ha! You got me there, Sullivan.